Your customers will have different due date determinations for their invoices, and some allow early payment discounts. Adagio Receivables can calculate these values for you. To create the ways you assign terms to your customers, access the Edit menu and select Terms. Each terms calculation method is stored as a separate code, which can be edited when required. Every terms code has 5 different ways of determining the due date of an invoice. A specific number of days after the invoice date, the last day of the month in the month following the invoice date, a specific day of the month in the month following the invoice date, a specific number of days after the next day of the month following the invoice date, or a specific date of your choosing, regardless of the invoice date. If you wish to provide a discount for early payment, enter in a percentage amount, and you have the same 5 calculation methods for the discount date as for the due date. A company profile option generates a warning message if a customer has an outstanding balance greater than their credit limit. You can choose to suppress this message with the Skip Credit Check option when creating invoices, especially if payments are included with the invoice. If payments are collected at the same time as the invoice, you can ensure that the payment is entered and not missed. The Payment Required option forces either a partial payment or a full payment to be included with the invoice, or an error message will appear to indicate the necessary entry action. When terms codes are saved, they can be assigned to a customer from the Accounting tab. Every new invoice or order for this customer will automatically default this terms code. When the invoice date is changed, the due date and discount date will automatically be recalculated based on the terms code information. You can edit the terms field on invoices to select a different one than the customer default. If you want to assign a due date or discount date that doesn't follow one of the calculation methods, you can delete the terms field and all the other terms fields information is editable. After an invoice is posted, you can still change the due date if desired. A company profile option allows edit access to the due date field when looking at the invoice from the Edit Customers function and the Transactions tab. When enabled, the due date field can be changed to whatever date is required. This change will update the overdue receivables report and any other process that determines customer aging amounts. Manage credit by automatically assigning due dates to customer invoices and ensure required payments are included. For more information about Adagio Accounting, use these on-screen links or from the video description. Thanks for watching.